Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how can we rename a column of Pandas data frame. So I am on my VS Code and here I have already imported Pandas and have created a data frame which is holding two columns, name and salary. Let me go ahead and print this out. So you can see that name and salary are the two columns. Let's say now you want to rename the name to a name column to a new name which is employee. So for that, as we are changing the state of the data frame, we need to assign it back. So that's the reason I am putting data frame name on the left hand side. Then you need to call the rename function, and inside that columns, and then you need to mention what all columns you would like to rename. So as of now, we want to rename name column to say employee. Now if I will go ahead and print it, you can see that the column is renamed to employee. So if you have, let's say, multiple columns, you can provide that next to it using the comma. So this is how you can rename it. I hope you enjoyed this short video and thanks for watching.